Faceless YouTube Shorts are taking over. They're breaking the algorithm and racking up insane views. Today, we're diving into a storytelling channel that's pulling in hundreds of views on every single video and earning thousands of dollars monthly. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, making money on YouTube can be simple, but don't get it twisted. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Success here takes dedication and consistency. Only then will your hard work turn into real income. This channel combines storytelling, showing his face with visuals and background music. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI tools to recreate this process without showing your face and launch your own YouTube automation business. Ready to unlock the secrets? Let's get started. The first step is getting our script. Instead of spending hours brainstorming and writing something from scratch, we're going to take a smarter approach by leveraging content that's already proven to work. To do this, head over to a popular YouTube channel that's known for its viral shorts. These channels have cracked the formula for success, so they're a great resource for inspiration. Click on the popular tab, and here you'll find a list of their top-performing videos. Take a moment to scroll through and select one that aligns with the theme or style you're going for. After choosing a video, copy its link. Now open your browser and search for YouTube transcript. In the search results, click on the second result. On the site, paste the video link you just copied and click on the Get Video Transcript button. In an instant, the transcript of the video will appear on your screen. Copy the entire script and save it to your notepad or document editor. At this point, we have the script, but we can't use it just like that. It's important to rephrase it and make it uniquely ours. To help with this, I've created a Google Doc with prompts that will guide you through the process. The link to the Google Doc is in the description below. Open the doc and you'll find a ready-made script prompt. Copy the prompt, then head over to ChatGPT and paste it, then hit enter. The prompt asks ChatGPT to rephrase the script, and ChatGPT will ask you to provide the script. Now go over to your notepad and copy the script. Then head back to ChatGPT and paste the script. Then click enter. ChatGPT will transform the original script into a new rephrased version that's personalized for our use. You might notice that the script still includes timestamps from the original video. Don't worry, simply ask ChatGPT to remove the timestamps. ChatGPT will clean up the text for you, leaving you with a polished timestamp-free script that's ready to go. And just like that, we've taken a proven concept and made it our own. Now that we have our script, the next step is to create voiceover. For this, we'll be using ElevenLabs. Open your browser and search for ElevenLabs.io. Once the website loads, click on Get Started, and if you don't already have an account, take a moment to create one. Now head back to ChatGPT and copy the script we generated earlier. Then switch back to ElevenLabs and paste the script in the text box. Make sure to review the text carefully and remove any part you don't want in your script. Next, click on the Voices tab and you'll be presented with a variety of voice options. Take your time to explore them and select the one you prefer. Then click on Generate, and ElevenLabs will process your script, transforming it into a dynamic and realistic voiceover. As you can see, our voiceover has been generated. Let's listen to it.
One evening, a guy, let's call him Piano Man, is absolutely rocking.
When you're satisfied with the results, download the voiceover to your device. Now it's time to create an exciting talking avatar to narrate our story. For this, we'll be using Ideogram. Open your browser and search for Ideogram.ai. Once you're on the website, sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon to open the creation interface. Adjust the settings by changing the style setting to realistic and set the aspect ratio to 1:1. Now head over to the Google Doc and copy the character design prompt. Then head over to ChatGPT and paste the prompt. Then hit enter. ChatGPT will process the information and provide you with a detailed, well-crafted design prompt, tailored to generate a character that's perfect for your video. Now copy the prompt, then return to Ideogram and paste it into the designated text box and hit generate. This is where Ideogram does its magic, using the detailed prompt to produce a range of character designs. The system might take a few moments, but the results will be worth the wait. When your images are ready, take your time to browse through the options and choose the one you prefer. Then download it to your device. Next, we animate and lip-sync our AI avatar with the voiceover we created. For this, we'll use the Dupdub app. Start by opening the Dupdub app. Once it's up and running, click on the plus icon to begin. Upload the AI avatar we designed earlier. Once your avatar is uploaded, click on Next and select the Add an Audio option. Then choose Audio File to upload the voiceover we generated earlier. Then click on Make Talking Photo and watch as Dupdub works its magic. The app will animate the avatar syncing its lips perfectly with the voiceover to create a lifelike talking character. In just moments, your avatar will go from a still image to an expressive narrator. When the animation is ready, preview the result. Take a moment to watch, listen, and see how amazing, realistic it looks. If everything looks great, then download the video to your device. And there you have it. Your AI avatar is now fully animated and synced with the voiceover. Now it's time to bring our script to life with stunning visuals. For this step, we'll be using Ideogram. Open Ideogram. Once you're in, click on the plus icon to start a new project. Adjust the settings by change the style to anime and set the aspect ratio to 1:1 for a square format. Next, head over to the Google Doc and copy the visual prompt. Then open ChatGPT and paste the prompt. The prompt asks ChatGPT to generate images for your script, and ChatGPT will ask you to provide your script once again. Paste your script, then hit enter, and ChatGPT will analyze your script line by line. For each part of your story, it will generate a detailed image prompt. These prompts are tailored to help you create visuals that align perfectly with the mood and action of your story. Copy the first prompt, then return to Ideogram and paste the prompt into the text box. Then hit generate and let Ideogram work its magic. In just a few moments, you'll see a range of beautifully crafted images based on the prompt. Once the images are ready, preview the results. Take your time to review them carefully. Look for the one that best captures the essence of that part of your story and download the image to your device. Now repeat this process to generate the rest of your images. The next step is to get background music. Instead of spending hours searching for free non-copyrighted tracks, we're going to create our own custom music using Suno. Open your browser and search for suno.com. Once you're on the site, create an account if you don't already have one. After logging in, click on the creation icon and you'll be taken to the music creation interface. Since the type of video we're making doesn't require lyrics, we'll focus solely on the style of music. Head over to ChatGPT and ask for a music style recommendation based on your script. Then click enter and ChatGPT will provide the perfect style of music. Copy it and return to Suno. Paste the music style into the designated input field and give your track a name. Then click generate and let Suno work its magic. In just moments, it will create custom music tailored to the style you provided. When the process is complete, take a moment to listen to both of them. After deciding on your favorite, download the music to your device. The final step is to bring everything together with editing. For this, we'll use CapCut. Open CapCut and import all the images we generated earlier. Next, adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for vertical videos. Now import the talking avatar you created and position it at the top of the frame. Below the avatar, arrange the images. This will create a dynamic and visually engaging layout. If your talking avatar has a logo that you want to remove, click on the avatar clip, scroll through the options at the bottom and select Mask. Choose the rectangle option. Adjust it to crop out the logo and reposition the clip so everything looks clean and professional. Next, arrange the images to sync seamlessly with the voiceover from your talking avatar. Play through the video to ensure the visuals align perfectly with the narration for a smooth flow. To visually separate the talking avatar from the images below, we'll add a white line. Click on text and type several underscores. Then click on Style and select Spacing. Then reduce the character spacing to join the underscores into one continuous line. Position this line between the avatar and the images to create a clean division. To make the video more engaging, add effects to the images below the avatar. Explore CapCut's library of visual effects and choose ones that complement each clip. Then add transitions between the clips to ensure smooth and seamless changes from one image to the next. Import the background music we generated earlier. Lower the music's volume slightly so it doesn't overpower the voiceover from your talking avatar. The right balance will ensure both the narration and the music shine. Now let's add captions to our video. Click on Text, select Auto Captions and choose a template you like. Then hit Generate and CapCut will automatically create captions for your voiceover. Once the captions are ready, review them for accuracy and adjust as needed. Now play your video from start to finish to check if it's well edited. If everything looks great, click on Export and increase the video resolution to 4K, then download the video to your device. Let's watch the final result.
One evening, a guy, let's call him Piano Man, is absolutely rocking a live street performance. The crowd's loving it. He's on fire. Then, out of nowhere, a woman strolls up, starts messing with his piano keys, and before you know it, she walks off. Piano Man doesn't miss a beat and keeps playing. But just when you think it's over, she comes back. This time, her friends are there. Laughing, of course. But then, things take a weird turn. Allegedly, she reaches down and grabs money from his tip jar. The crowd is not having it. People start booing. It's getting intense. And then, out of nowhere...
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and feel free to drop any questions you have in the comment section.